Okay, problem set. Problem number one. Problem number one, as usual, it is just a KBC kind of a question. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? Okay, so it's multiple choice question. Out of 4 options, you have to select one correct option. So that is something what I have already solved for you. I've done the marking and I will be sending you a photograph of the same. Okay, now we'll proceed to problem number second. The problem number second, this is the given diagram. Okay, now we have angle RPQ is a 90 degree, is a perpendicular angle, and also angle BPA is a perpendicular angle which is 90 degree. Okay, now look at this figure. Both the angles are interlinked with each other. Okay, now based on this particular problem, what you have to do is they have asked you a pair of complementary angles, a pair of supplementary angles, a pair of congruent angles. Okay, so now look into the figure. No need of any working or anything as such, because these questions are going to come for 1 mark like a fill in the blank. Okay, the guide also they have given you a brief description of this, but it is not required. Generally if it comes for 1 marks, if this problem comes for 3 marks, 1 mark for each of the pair, each of the answer. Okay, so what you have to do is you directly put it as a fill in the blank. You can look into the diagram and write directly what do you mean by a pair of complementary angle or a pair of supplementary angle. When two angles, the sum of two angles, or when you add two angles and it gives you 180 degree, there those angles are called supplementary. Okay, complementary angle का है we have studied in standard 5th. Okay, 5th मध्ये केलं होतं angles. लेसन नंबर 2 होता मॅथ्स मध्ये. 5th मध्ये नाही 6th मध्ये होता. 6th standard ला you have done lesson number 2 angles. In that particular angles you have studied acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Okay, all sorts of angle you have done, supplementary, complementary. So supplementary angles is when you add two angles and it gives you 180 degree. Those angles are called supplementary. Similarly, if two angles when added together and gives you 90 degree, those angles are called complementary. Okay, 6th के बाद में ये अभी रिपीट हो रहा है complementary word, इसके लिए शायद भूल गया रहेगा. Okay, you should remember when two angles added together and the sum is 90 degree, then those angles are called complementary. If two angles added together and the sum is 180 degree, those angles are called supplementary. Okay, now we want a pair of complementary angle. Complementary angle means two angles which when added together can give you 90 degree. If you see here, RPQ, angle RPQ is 90 degree, which is made up of angle RPB and angle BPQ. Okay, when you add this angle and this angle, this becomes one pair of complementary angle, and the other complementary angle pair is even BPA or APB is also 90 degree, which is again made by BPR and RPA. Okay, so you can also put angle BPR and RPA, another pair of complementary angle. I have already mentioned both the pairs over here. Okay, a pair of supplementary angle, 90 plus 90 करायचं आहे. We want 180. How can we do this? Okay, we don't have perfect 90 plus 90 180. Linear pair नहीं है. We are looking for supplementary angle. Supplementary angles can be overlapping with each other, no issue. Okay, एकदम precise आजूबाजूला असतात. Those are angles in a linear pair. Don't get confused between angles in a linear pair or and angles, supplementary angles. Both are different things. One and the same, but दोनों का concept अलग है. Okay. Now here we want 90 plus 90, so we have two 90 degree angle, that is angle RPQ and angle APB. This pair is a supplementary angle, angle QPR and BPA angle. Each is 90 degree, therefore each is 90 degree. You don't have to write, you have to write only this much. A is a pair of supplementary angle. Already त्याचे heading खालीच लिहिलंय मी. So your answer is only this much. I have written this is equal to 90 degree just to answer the question number 3. You want a pair of congruent angles also. So we already have two angles which are given on 90 degree. If two angles having same measurement, they are called congruent. So the same answer is to be repeated here. Angle QPR and angle APB or BPA, whatever you write, is a pair of congruent angle. Okay, problem number 2 is over. Let's go for problem number 3. Problem number 3 तो एकदम बच्चा लोग का problem है. Look at the diagram carefully. AB and CD are two parallel lines and EH is the transversal which intersects AB at point F and CD at point G. Given that angle EFB is a perpendicular angle, you have to prove that angle FGH is also perpendicular. This you have to prove. Okay, you can prove easily. Now angle EFB is congruent to angle FGD. Bracket मध्ये reason corresponding angle test for parallel lines. Okay, so when corresponding angles are congruent, so automatically they are of equal measure. Hence झालं आपलं proof. एकच line मध्ये proof आहे. Angle EFB is congruent to angle FGD. बरोबर. Hence this is proved. Okay. If they ask you to prove FGD, you can use corresponding angle. If they ask you to prove HGD, this angle, okay, might be possible. मी question विसरलो है. Okay, if they want this angle, so first you have to see EFB is congruent to FGD, that is corresponding angle test, and then we have to take angle FGD plus angle DGH or HGD is equal to 180 degree. That is angles in a linear pair. Therefore, after solving, we get HGD is equal to 180 minus FGD, angle FGD, that is 180 minus 90 will be 90. So this is 90 degree. Hence we can prove that even this angle and this angle is congruent. आता एक 90 डिग्री झाला आणि पॅरलल लाईन आहे तर सगळेच अँगल ऑटोमॅटिकली 90 डिग्री होत आहेत. ओके, दे आस्क यू वेदर दिस एंगल, इफ दे आस्क यू एनी एंगल टू कंपेयर, they are congruent with such kind of a figure, any angle, you can generally get the solution accordingly the steps which we have followed just now. Okay, chalo, we'll move to the problem number 4. Problem number 4 is again very much bachcha log ka problem. Okay, these are all 2 marks question. Look at this line चा काहीतरी name असेल, I don't know, बहुतेक मी लिहिलं नाही आहे, not important. Here they have given these two lines are parallel where one angle is 130 degree and the other angle is 50 degree. You have to find angle X and angle Y. Have got nothing to do with parallel lines or the corresponding interior angle or alternate angle test, nothing. This is very basic thing. Okay, X is equal to 130 degree, Y bracket मध्ये reason vertically opposite angle. Okay, I have written here X is equal to 130 degree, vertically opposite angle, symbolically I have written, and Y is equal to 50 degree, Y again vertically opposite angle. Okay, समझलं 50 degree. So we get this Y as 50 degree, X as 130 degree. Now this 130 degree and 50 degree है. Okay. So now add this interior angles. Now if we add interior angles, we have adding this and this. We get 130 plus 50 is 180 degree. Okay. Oh, we have to prove that line is parallel. Okay. So when we add this 130 plus 50 degree, it becomes 180. So as per the property of interior angles of a triangle, interior angles of a parallel line. Okay, as per interior angle test, the lines are parallel. Okay, chalo, move to the next one. Okay, this is slightly some algebra is mixed into this. Okay, they said they have given you this particular figure where it is very much evident that line AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. Okay, they said if Y is to Z, the ratio of Y is to Z is 3:7. Okay, then you have to find X. You have to find the measurement of X. What we have to do is, first, if there is ratio, then what we'll do, you use a particular When we are using ratio and proportions, do you remember we always took a variable? Let this be 3x, let this be 7x. Okay, but x is already given here, so we have to use any other variable. We are using m, so let m be the common variable. So we have y is equal to 3m, z is equal to 7m. Now come back here. If y is equal to 3m, z is equal to 7m, how can we find 7x is equal to 7m? Very simple. Consider line AB and line CE. Okay, CEF, line EF. Okay, madli parallel line ignore kara. The first line and the third line, they are parallel and a transversal. So angle x and angle z are alternate angle. So we can write angle x is equal to angle z is equal to 7m. That is alternate angle test. Okay, this thing is over. Now we have to find. So what we'll do is, this equation, okay, y plus z. Now we have here x plus y, we have to take, we already got this x, so we'll use 7m plus 3m, that is x plus y is equal to 180 degree. When you solve, this will come 7 plus 3, 10x is equal to 180 degree, 10m is equal to 180 degree, therefore m is equal to 180 divided by 10, so it will be 18 degree. m ची value तुम्हाला येणार, m is equal to 18 after you solve this algebraically. Okay, once you get m is equal to 18, then find the value of y, that is 3m, 3 into 18, z 7m, 7 into 18. Okay, we have to find the value of x, only x. ये नहीं भी find किया y और z तो चलेगा, only x. Value of x is 7m, that is again 7 into 18. Okay, 126 काहीतरी आन्सर येतोय त्याचा. Okay, now this is a pretty big video. Let's continue in the next video.